Well, hello, it's Bears back. Got a lock I'm going to try tonight. It's number 37 by Jeffrey Post. That's the bidding on the key. That works just fine. I've already loaded it up. So we'll see about getting into this guy. Here we go. Go to the back, start there. Go to pin 5. Oh, that just fell apart. Ooh, yeah, 4's loose and a lot of crunchy here, and it's just falling apart. I mean, you touch them and they just fall underneath their pick, so it's not giving me much feedback in that sense. Let's see. Oh, got a nice false set on that. You can see it. Oh, we're open. We're open. I will take that. I surely will. Where'd it go? Okay. I was not expecting that. That was a complete surprise. I haven't been having that happen lately. It's been, can't get it open here lately. Let's get a pinning tray. And I'm sorry about the light, guys. See if I can add a little more to it. Ooh. Here. Let's get that off of there. That out of the way. Man, that was a real crunchy one. It's probably that I just got lucky, really lucky, and they fell in the right positions, because the crunching that was going on was worrying the heck out of me, gotta tell you. So let's take a look at this. Ooh, yeah. I don't even know about pushing a key in, there. Oh. Well, I had a possibility of 6 pins here. Didn't get them. Didn't put them in. I got a 5 pinner. So wow, there's some work on those. Oh, just give me the thing. All right, let's see what we got here. We got threading in 1, 2, and 4. Nothing on 3 and 5. Put these over. Yeah. All right. Let's get on with this and find the tweezers that I've hidden somewhere. Okay, we got. Ooh. I can't even get a hold of it with that tweezer. Wow. Okay. And a real short spring. I'm dropping her. I gotta find everything, guys. So I should say guys and gals, but I don't know that I got very many women watching, so. That's the way that came out. Okay, oh, get a hold of it. Try to go for number 4 here, guys. At least they didn't blast out and shoot all over the place. We'll go to the back on this last one. You know, it's a hot day today, guys. It's a 97 here in Southern California. And it'll warm you up a little bit. It's supposed to break into the hundreds this week, so we'll see. See what we got down here. It looks like, well, let me have my, get out of the way. You pick. Yeah. I don't feel nothing done to the top. So this is number 37 by Jeffrey Post. Thank you, Jeffrey, for putting these out here and sending them to me. I really enjoy them. We got kind of a spool and a T-pin in one. Got like a spool and bottom and top. There's like a, let me see if we can get this a little closer. Like a little bump in the middle there. And then we have like a spool in the bottom and a huge spool on top. Double spool in the top. Double serrations in the bottom. Double serrations in this bottom and a standard in the top here. So, and the springs are a little different. So that's what we have. So thanks for watching, everybody. I really appreciate it. Stay legal and have fun. Thanks, Jeffrey.